ating 7 treasures one by one. Pag narinig ko pangalan, lapit po dito sa gitna. And at the same time po, maghandog lang po kayo ng mensahe or any message for King. Alright? Okay. And of course, picture taking right after. Kung may dala po tayong regalo, okay na po, much better. Para maabot ko natin personally kay King. Alright? And to start off, our 7 treasures, may I call on? Palakpakan naman po natin, Lisa De Ocampo. Oh, hinalo rin kanina. Gaya naman. Alright. Hello, Lisa. Gandang araw po. Kayo po ang una nating bahagi ng 7 treasures. Hali po kayo. Ayan. Dito po kayo, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Morgan. Happy birthday. Ang may wish for you, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata. And thank you for having us, especially Ate. Thank you kay Madam Ate Weng. Ate, thank you sa parking lot. Happy birthday.
Alright, picture po sila. Picture po sila. Sige, sige. Sige po, ayan. Sige, picture daw po. Smile. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang po. Alright, and of course, to proceed with our 7 treasures is none other than Mars Veronila. Am I right with this? Mars Veronila. Or Nilia. Alright. Hello, ma'am. Gandang hapon po. Halin po kayo. Hello, Ma'am Mars. Good afternoon. For our 7 treasures. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lisa. Ngayon naman, si Ma'am Mars. Here you go.
Happy birthday na. Ang wish ko, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at saka maging mabuting bata. Okay? Happy birthday!
Smile. Picture po sila. Pwede ka mo po. Ayun. There you go. Smile. We have our photographers over here. Tingin lang sa camera and also smile. And of course, up next for our 7 treasures for this afternoon, may I call on yung nag-pray kanina, Rhea Gutierrez. Palapakan naman po natin. Hi, Ma'am Rhea. Good afternoon. Okay, sa inyo po. Halin kayo ba daw?
Hello, Morgan. Happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. And be a good boy sa mama at saka sa papa. Okay? Happy birthday.
Smile. Pwede kayo maupo sa tabi ni Morgan dito. Ayan. There you go. There you go. And of course, to proceed with our 7 treasures is none other than Chen De Ocampo. Palapakan natin. And of course, we also have Cherry Paulo. Ayun. Hello, ma'am. Gandang araw po. Come over here po. Please join King. Here you go.
Morgan, etong bibigay ko sa'yo, nagsisimbolize to ng pangalan mo, ng pagkatao mo. Sana maging, lumaki ka ng maging mabuting bata, mabuting tao. Happy birthday, Morgan.
Wow. Nakita mo? Tingnan mo muna, King. King, pakita mo. Ayan, makita niyo po madami. Yun. There you go. Ayan. Alright. And of course, to proceed with our 7 treasures, may I call on Carissa Volante. Palakpakan naman po natin. Nandito ba? Yun, Ma'am Carissa. Gandang hapon po. Please come over here po. Hi. Alright, thank you so much po. Here you go po, madam.
Hi, happy birthday. Thank you for having us. Itong gift ko sa'yo for daily use mo to, okay? Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at sa mga takot mo. Happy birthday! Okay, mami.
Okay, picture mo naman. You may sit beside King for a photo. Oh, ayan. Smile. Alright, there you go. And of course, last but not the least, to complete the sets of our 7 treasures for this afternoon is none other than Christine Correo. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ma'am Christine, hello! Gandang hapon po. There she is. Come over po. Please come and join King. Ayan. And of course, please give your message. Sige ba, upo mo na kayo sa tabi niya. Ayan your message.
Happy birthday, Morgan. Ang wish ko sa'yo, lumaki kang mabait na bata, mag-aaral kang mabuti, tsaka lagi kang susunod kay mommy and dad. Happy birthday.
Alright, smile, picture. And habang sila nag-picture taking, of course, ladies and gentlemen, that officially completes our 7 treasures. So, of course, ma'am, you may stay there. Tawagin ko na po ulit yung 6 pa po na tinawag ko kanina from our 7 treasures. Please come and join King Morgan for a photo of all together. Tawagin ko ulit sila. We have Lisa, Mars, Rhea, Chin, Cherry, Tressa, and Christine. Yung ating 7 treasures po. Please form a semicircle po dito for a photo. Kasama po si Morgan. And of course, coming right up, standby na po and please get ready ang mga kasali sa ating 7 princess. Coming right up. Alakpakan naman natin once again, ladies and gentlemen, your 7 treasures and King Morgan. Thank you so much po. And of course, as we continue on with our program for this afternoon, tayo po magkapatuloy na po with the 2nd tradition. And tulad ng sabi ko kanina lang, we are now going to proceed with our 7 princess. So ano po ba ang gagawin or bahagi ng 7 princess natin? Patawagin ko po sila isa-isa. And of course, those princesses will dance together with King Morgan. And then, syempre po, bibigyan natin sila ng regalo. Alright, so, wait lang po. King, ay, baby boy, upo muna tayo. King, halika dito ka sa gitna. Magsasayaw pa po ng mga prinsesa dahil ikaw ang king. Ayan. Paupuin muna natin si baby boy po. Ayan. Tatawagin kita mamaya ha. Tatawagin kita mamaya. Salamat po. And of course, pag narinig ang pangalan, samahan po si King. Sasayaw lang po sa gitna. Okay? And of course, for our 7 princess, may I call on first up, Gabby de la Cruz. Parang pa naman natin. Followed by Skylar Correo. Ayun. Hi! Ayan. Sige po. There you go. Yon. Smile. Look at the camera, smile. Thank you so much. And to proceed, we are calling Prisana May Lazares. Kuha ka muna ng logo, dear. Ayun. Kuha ka na. Thank you. Kuha ka dito. Yan. So, sa yan. Sa kanya po to. Yung logo ka. Okay, kay Morgan. Alright. Pakibigay kay Morgan. Yung. Sa'yo. Yan. There you go. Side. Next up for our 7 princess, may I call on Kensha Osorio. Hi! Open the ear. Thank you. Go ahead. Hawak ko lang ito. Yan. Wait lang anak. Okay. Sayaw ko na kayo. Okay, sige. There you go.
May times ka? Wala.